Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Now I'll show you how to add space in your HTML code. Alright, so if you want to the space, I'll just show you. Type the paragraph tag like hello Bangladesh. Alright, now and just open and hello Bangladesh. Now I need the space here between hello and Bangladesh. Now add the space with keyboard. Okay, but if you need more space, there is the same result, not changing. I have another method like you can type the and BSP. Now, if you need space, you can just copy paste according to as you need. Reload here. If you need more space, more space. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.